This Vidatia review looks at how this desktop AI video app makes it possible to create polished videos without filming, editing, or hiring help. The creator of product, Cyril Gupta, designed Vidatia to handle every step of production in minutes. You can give it a topic or script and it will generate visuals, record lifelike voiceovers, add music, and even animate scenes. Because it renders on your computer instead of the cloud, there are no delays or limits. This also means rendering is free and you only pay for AI credits used in writing, visuals, and animation, often costing just pennies per video. Vidatia works for YouTube, TikTok, Reels, educational videos, business promos, or stories. You can control captions, swap visuals, change voice styles, and animate static images with simple prompts. Real examples from the demo included art reels, cartoons, yoga tutorials, cooking guides, and children's stories. The variety of outputs makes it flexible for almost any niche. Pros include fast local rendering, realistic AI actors, a wide range of styles, low costs, and scene-by-scene control. Cons include no mobile version yet and occasional AI visuals that may need tweaking. During launch, there's often a Vidatia bonus with extra templates, assets, or training, making the value even higher. From multiple Vidatia reviews, the verdict is that this is an affordable and versatile way to produce professional videos quickly. If you want to create more content without the expense and complexity of traditional production, Vidatia shows why it's worth a look. Check out my link below for premium bonuses from InfoSpike.